Thanks for joining us on this quick tutorial on how to use an auto scrubber. As always, we'll start with our supplies. So you'll need an auto scrubber, neutral floor cleaner, and a measuring cup, and then of course water. So you'll take your floor cleaner and you're going to measure out an ounce for every 2 gallons of water. This particular machine, it takes 14 gallons, so we'll put 7 ounces of our floor cleaner into the bottom left opening there where the water and the floor cleaner goes. Of course, we're putting the water in as well, and you just fill it up to the rim essentially. While that's happening though, you do unplug it from the wall and the battery charger, and you take that red component and you clamp the 2 pieces on together. And because we try to vent the basin every single night after using it, you want to make sure to secure all of your hoses and all of your covers and filters nice and snug. And of course, once you're done filling up the tank with water, you're going to basically just take that to lock it into place, and then you'll back out of the space so that you have enough room to work with the machine and turning it on. So just below the handle where you grab, the grab bar, there's a lever there. You'll lift up and to the left to let that down, which drops the squeegee. And then there's a foot pedal. You'll press down and to the left to let down the scrubbing machine portion. Once you've let down the squeegee and the brush, you'll just simply turn the key clockwise to power it on. And the 2 green buttons on the left, you will switch on. And then you'll see there's a couple of triggers on the inside of the handles. You'll press those with your thumb to get the machine moving forward, and with a nice gentle push and swivel back and forth, you can auto scrub your floor. See you next time.